Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLS 450 4MATIC. This one's polar white. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 twin turbo pushing out 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque. This one has front and rear LED daytime running lights, 19-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. This one also does come with the lighting package, which is going to give you an adaptive high beam assist and an active LED headlamp. An espresso brown MB-Tex interior, sunroof, third row seating. Coming around back, we've got our GLS 450 4MATIC badging, trailer hitch, opening up the tailgate. Got a set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold-down third row seats. Coming alongside, this one does come with the lane tracking package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, lane keeping assist. Also comes with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you keyless entry, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, a eucalyptus wood trim, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, a push start ignition, paddle shifters for extra performance, navigation, a rear view backup camera, hard keys for our media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center. This GLS 450 has 38,584 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLS 450, check out feldmanimports.com.